Hi friends, this is a really nice Santa Claus kid's dress. So this is a premium Santa costume and it have the hat, jacket, wig, glasses, beard, golden like the round glasses frame. It have like all things that need to be done with that. And this comes in a great pack. Is like a plastic package. This is Bapbog, and here you see that the whole kit is inside this package. So this is the beard and the hair, so I will show it to you later on. This is the belt. So this is the temporary small black pad for the dress. This is the Santa Claus hat, and you can see the stitches is very clean and clear, and you can also see the quality. This is the golden bag that the Santa Claus have the gifts in. These are the boot caps, like if you have the black boots, and you can wear this on the top of it so that it will give you a great look. This is a pseudo leather pack, and then the fur is good, feel soft. So 2 boot cap set. The gloves, hand gloves, white ones. And the golden round glass. This is the main dress, like the trouser and the jacket. So you can see like the tag and the quality of the elastic is good, and then the fabric quality itself is nice and soft. Of course that it is not like for a long term thing, that this is a costume you will wear only for one day or maximum 2 days in a year, and that's it. So based on that, the quality itself is nice and it's really wearable and looks like a premium quality. This is the jacket that comes with it, and you can see like the fur and the velcro. So this is stitched with the velcro. And you can see the quality of the velcro is also nice. So I will put it on my kit and then show it to you. So here I put all the things on to my kit, and I'm just showing to you how it looks. So the beard, hair, the glasses is pretty much good and fun stuff. So my kid is liking it, and of course